Hello guys, welcome to another video of our placement analysis series, and today we'll be taking a detailed look on the placement analysis of NIT Calicut. So in 2019 NIRF ranking, NIT Calicut was ranked 5th. So let's take a look at its placement statistics of previous years. In this slide you can see the placement statistics from 2006 to 2018 for each courses. First column is for the BTech, second one is for the BArch, MTech, MCA, MBA, and you can see that the total number of companies visited has been increasing with years, and in the last year, that is 2017-18, the number of offers made was 698, which is pretty good, and total 134 companies visited the campus. Here's an interesting statistic, guys. If you look at the MTech column, you can see in 2006-7 MTech placement was pretty good. Out of 123 students, 118 students were placed, but as you can see over the year MTech's placement have been declining. So there's that. So if anyone is thinking about pursuing MTech, you can keep that in mind, that MTech placement have not improved over the years, rather it has declined. Now let's take a look at each branch placement, and you can see here first one is biotechnology. The average salary is given here. So the average salary is almost 5 LPA, and 2017-18 only 10% were placed. In chemical engineering 55% were placed with 6.5 LPA. Civil engineering 48% were placed with 6.4 LPA, and this column shows the total companies that recruited from that branch by number of core companies. So in the civil engineering department, you can see 27 companies recruited civil engineers, but only 10 were core companies of civil engineering. You can see here computer science. So in computer science, the average salary was pretty good, 12.5 LPA, which is as expected, because in all NITs the CS branch has the most impressive placement. And here you can see that 100% were placed in 17-18 in computer science. Let's take a look at the ECE. In ECE 92% were placed with average 8.85 LPA. Now engineering physics only 25% were placed. Electrical and electronics 73% were placed with 7.56 LPA. Mechanical engineering, you can see here that in mechanical engineering there were a lot of core companies, because 24 out of 44 is a pretty good number. So out of 44 companies that recruited mechanical engineering 2017 and 18, 24 was core companies, and the average salary was 6.5 LPA, which is pretty common. And in production engineering, you can see only 64% were placed with 5.6 LPA. Now let's take a look at the MTech placements. So the first one is structural engineering, which comes under civil engineering department. In 2017-18, only one student out of 14 got placed, so that makes 7%, which is pretty poor. Transportation 30% were placed. Offshore structure 0 were placed. And there are some other departments of civil engineering. You can see the placement is pretty bad for civil engineering MTech. Now let's move on to computer science MTech. 93% were placed. As usual, computer science has the highest placement. Let's move on to another branch of computer science, information security. There 88% were placed. Chemical engineering 0 were placed. Electrical design technology, which comes under EC department, 61% were placed. In VLSI 87% was placed. In telecommunication only 28% was placed. So look into that, because in other top NITs communication branch has generally pretty good placement, but in Calicut in 2017-18 and 16-17 you can see the placement was really poor. So keep that in mind if you are filling for CCMT. Now signal processing only 10% were placed. In signal processing generally the placement isn't that good, because it is mostly research oriented subject, so people further go for PhD in abroad basically, or in IITs. So there's instrumentation and control, which is supposed to have good placement, but here you can see only 25% was placed. So that is disappointing, because instrumentation and control in other NITs, top NITs, the placement is pretty good. Now let's move to electrical engineering department. The first one is power systems, only 23, and power electronics 33. Industrial power and automation, this is a good branch. Something related to automation generally have good demand in industry, but you can see only 16% were placed. E high voltage, only 22% were placed. This branch E high voltage is only available in NIT Calicut. It is not available anywhere else except Jadavpur University. There's some branches under mechanical engineering like industrial engineering management, 0 placement, thermal science 18% placement, 20% placement, 0% placement, 12% placement, 12% placement, nanotechnology no placement, implant 0 placement. So I would like to conclude that in masters, NIT Calicut doesn't have the most impressive placement. Like you cannot expect placement like NIT Trichy and NIT Calicut, but in some branches like CSE or ECE, placement is pretty good. Now here's a list of the companies that visited last year, that is 2018-19 session. So I have highlighted the major companies. Here you can see ABB India, Bajaj Auto, Capgemini, Cognizant, Dell, Delta Power, Ford Motor, Goldman Sachs, GE, HSBC, Indian Oil, Infosys, Intel, etc., JP Morgan, Nvidia, Oracle, L&T, ATM, Texas Instrument, different branches of Tata, Reliance Industries, Reliance Jio, Qualcomm, Uber India, and there's Wipro. So total 141 companies visited last year. So that's impressive because the number of companies has been increasing over the years, as you already saw in my first slide. So now let's move on to the latest year placement statistics. This statistics is for the 2018-19 batch. In BARC, 9 people were registered, 3 got placed. Minimum salary was 3, maximum salary was 18.24, and average salary was 9.08. You can see for different branches, biotechnology 7.01, and 9 out of 11 were placed. In civil, 45 out of 55 were placed, and average salary was 7.34. Chemical also placement was good. In computer science, out of 121, 120 were placed, so that is impressive. And maximum salary, look at that, 50 LPA, and the average salary was 14.98. So you can see this CSE has the highest salary package. Electronics surprisingly good at 8.99 LPA, and 95 were placed out of 99, and EEE 69 were placed out of 77, which is pretty good, with 7.32 average package. Mechanical also 7.22 average package. Production 6.09. Engineering physics 6.74. Now let's move on to last year's MTech placement. Let's take a look at civil engineering. So out of 8, 2 were placed in environmental. Out of 12, 6 was placed in offshore. Out of 13, 9 was placed structural engineering, which is the most demanded branch in civil. So placement was pretty good in that branch only, but the average salary was pretty average, 6.08. Now let's move on to computer science. Computer science, out of 17, 17 were placed. Minimum salary package was 7, maximum was 31.5. That makes 15.51 average salary, which is pretty impressive for MTech. And in computer science information security, there's another specialization in which 12.12 was the average salary. And let's move on to electrical engineering. 7.94 in power system, 5 were placed out of 10. High voltage, 4 were placed out of 6. So placement has improved in electrical engineering over last year, that is 2017-18. Placement was pretty poor in electrical engineering MTech, but you can see out of 4, 3 were placed, out of 4, 3 were placed in industrial automation. So that's that. Let's move on to ECE. In telecommunication, out of 9, 8 were placed, so it has also improved with an average salary of 10.33. And let's take a look at VLSI. 17.25 is the average salary, and look at that, 17.15 was the minimum salary. So out of 12, 11 were placed, and minimum salary was 17.15, so everyone got more than 17.15 LPA, which is pretty impressive. Now let's move on to mechanical engineering department. You can see here machine design 5.85 was the average salary and 50% were placed. You can see manufacturing, you can see here industrial engineering, thermal, out of 11 7 were placed with 9.86. so energy engineering management and thermal engineering had the highest packages. Here's nanotechnology, out of 1 people the single one got placed with 9.57. There's MBA, out of 25 19 got placed with 7.01, which isn't bad. In physics no one was placed, in chemistry 1 was placed, mathematics no one was placed. So guys, that was the total placement analysis of NIT Calicut for the last, I guess, 14 years from 2006 to 2019. I hope this video helps you in deciding whether to choose NIT Calicut or not, or what branch to choose in BTech and MTech both. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you had any queries, please leave a comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because I'll be providing almost every NIT's placement scenario, and I'll be starting a series soon in which I'll be covering total college overview of all the NITs, IITs, IIITs and other major engineering colleges. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.